Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will start by preparing your Flutter project and Firebase app so messages can flow. First, register Android and iOS in Firebase and download Google services, JSON or Google Service Info, placed into the correct platform folders. Then add Firebase Core and Firebase messaging to PubSpec, YAML and run Flutter pubget. Once done, initialize Firebase in main. Dart with widgets Flutter binding and Firebase. Initialize app. This sets up the SDK. Without initialization, messages won't be received. Next, implement the messaging handlers that deliver notifications to the UI. You must request permissions on iOS and set foreground notification presentation options. Otherwise, alerts won't appear. Register a top-level background message handler for background/terminated states and subscribe to Firebase messaging. OnMessage and OnMessage opened app to update UI or navigate. Also, add proper intent filters and permissions in Android manifest and notification usage descriptions in info. Plist, so the OS allows delivery and user interaction with notifications. Finish by sending test messages and validating end-to-end delivery so you know everything works. Retrieve the device FCM token encode and paste it into the Firebase console, or use the HTTP v1 API to send a test payload. This confirms both server and client are correct. If something breaks, make sure the token is current, SHA-1 is configured for Android, notification channels exist, and your background handler matches the required signature. One key troubleshooting tip is to inspect device logs to spot permission or token errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.